Hi there. I just wanted to get you to stop and think for a minute. What would your business be like if you could put your product, your service, or you in front of more than 2 million people in under 90 days? How would that make your business change? What would that do to your reputation? You know, putting it in front of the people that are in your industry, people that want to know about what you've got to offer. Do you reckon that'd be pretty powerful? Well, if you do, then I encourage you to register for the Magazine Marketing Machine workshop. Book your ticket now. The seats are going really fast, and I'll show you how to do just that. I'll literally unpack, lift the bonnet, and show you how you could get your business in front of that many people, that's more than 2 million people, in under 90 days. There's so much more we'll show you. There's so many other great gold nuggets that we'll show you, particularly how to drive traffic, how to create leads, and how to monetize it so that you're actually bringing a return on any time that you've spent on building this magazine marketing machine. So jump online, book your ticket now. If you are a coach, you know, or a consultant that's trying to separate yourself from the competition, if you are an entrepreneur who really wants to propel their business forward, you know, if you're in a service-based business and you really want to get your business cut through all the noise, you know, you've got 10 or 12 similar businesses in the area and you really need to separate yourself from the competition, or if you've got a physical product, an actual physical product that you're either selling online or in a store, and you really want to get the reputation of that product out there and raise the profile of the product, then I really encourage you to come along to this event. As I said, it's a 3-day event. The seats are going fast, so jump online now and book your seat. I really look forward to seeing you there.